When it comes to natural health remedies, especially those that promise to transform our hair, skepticism often prevails. But what if a simple, age-old solution like castor oil could truly revitalize your hair from roots to ends? Over a span of 30 days, I embarked on a personal experiment, applying castor oil to my hair every night. The results were nothing short of astonishing, not only altering my hair but also reshaping my views on the potential of natural hair care products. In this comprehensive exploration, I will share every facet of my journey, diving deep into both the science and anecdotal stories surrounding castor oil, which has long been a staple in traditional medicine cabinets. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for thousands of years across various cultures, primarily for its medicinal properties. In ancient Egypt, it was employed as a fuel in lamps and later as a potent natural remedy to treat ailments such as eye irritations and as a powerful laxative. Historical texts reveal that castor oil was highly prized among kings and queens who believed in its miraculous healing abilities. This historical backdrop not only enriches the story of castor oil, but also underscores its enduring relevance in natural health circles. The effectiveness of castor oil in hair care can be attributed to its rich composition, including ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid found to encourage scalp health and hair growth. Ricinoleic acid helps to balance scalp pH, reducing the risk of dandruff and other scalp disorders while promoting healthier hair follicles. Extensive scientific studies have explored how these fatty acids not only nourish the scalp, but also fortify hair strands from the root, promoting growth and enhancing texture. Coupled with its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil is a potent elixir for anyone looking to improve their hair health naturally. Prior to starting my 30-day journey with castor oil, I meticulously planned my approach to ensure consistency and reliability in my observations. Each night, I applied a generous amount of cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil directly to my scalp and through the length of my hair, using a gentle massaging motion to enhance absorption and stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. My initial expectations were mixed, influenced by both the glowing reviews I had read and my own skepticism about whether a natural product could genuinely yield significant changes. I documented my hair's texture, growth, and overall health daily, curious to see if castor oil could live up to its reputed benefits.
Week 1, the beginning. The first week was primarily about adjustment. The texture of castor oil is thicker than most hair oils, which took some getting used to. Initially, my hair felt heavier and a bit greasy, but there was a notable increase in softness and a slight reduction in hair fall after the first few applications.
Week 2, noticing changes. By the second week, the initial heaviness subsided, and I began to notice a difference in the health of my scalp. The usual dryness and flakiness were much less evident. My hair started to exhibit a natural sheen, not from oiliness, but from improved health.
Week 3, the surprising turn. The third week brought the most surprising changes. My hair not only looked healthier, but also felt stronger and thicker. Friends and family started commenting on the visible differences, noting the vibrancy and volume of my hair.
Week 4, conclusion and final thoughts. By the end of the fourth week, the results were undeniable. My hair had grown more than it had in previous months, and the overall condition of my scalp had improved dramatically. The experiment was a success, showing that consistent use of castor oil can indeed foster significant positive changes in hair health.
During my experiment, I connected with others who had incorporated castor oil into their hair care routines. Many shared similar positive experiences, reporting enhanced hair growth, reduced breakage, and improved scalp health. Some even provided before and after photos as evidence of their transformation.
While most feedback was positive, a few users noted that the oil's thick consistency was not suitable for their hair type, leading to excess greasiness. These mixed responses highlight the importance of personalization in hair care.
Castor oil is generally safe for most people when used as directed. However, it is potent and can cause adverse reactions in sensitive individuals. Common side effects include scalp irritation and allergic reactions, which typically manifest as redness, itching, or swelling.
It's crucial for new users to perform a patch test before fully integrating castor oil into their hair care regimen to avoid potential negative reactions. Moreover, because castor oil is a strong laxative, accidental ingestion should be avoided.
Practical tips for incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine. Integrating castor oil into your nightly hair care routine can be simple with the right approach. Here are some practical tips. First, start small. Begin with a small amount to see how your hair reacts. You can always increase the quantity gradually. Next, mix with other oils. If the thickness is too much, consider diluting castor oil with lighter oils like coconut or almond. Also, try warming the oil slightly. This can enhance its penetration and make the application more pleasant. And lastly, use a scalp massager. This tool can help evenly distribute the oil while promoting circulation. These tips aim to make the use of castor oil a soothing and effective addition to your nightly routine, optimizing its benefits for your hair health. Expert opinions on castor oil for hair care. Consulting hair care experts and trichologists provided a deeper insight into why castor oil is often recommended for hair growth. Experts agree that the unique properties of castor oil, particularly its high content of ricinoleic acid, make it a standout choice for combating hair loss and boosting hair health. Their endorsements are backed by clinical observations where patients experience noticeable improvements in hair thickness and scalp health after consistent use of castor oil. They caution, however, that results can vary significantly based on individual hair and scalp conditions.
Comparing castor oil with other natural hair care oils. Castor oil is just one of many oils touted for hair benefits. When compared to popular oils like coconut oil and argan oil, castor oil's dense and rich formula is distinctive. It's particularly noted for its deep moisturizing capabilities and its ability to promote faster hair growth than lighter oils. Each oil has its specific benefits, and sometimes combining them can lead to enhanced results. For example, mixing castor oil with lighter oils can make it easier to apply and can add additional nutrients like vitamin E from almond oil. Addressing common myths about castor oil. Despite its benefits, several myths surround castor oil use in hair care. One common misconception is that it can change hair texture permanently. Experts clarify that while it can improve hair health, it does not alter hair's natural texture. Another myth is that it can resolve all scalp issues, which is not accurate as some conditions may need medical treatment. Understanding these myths is crucial for setting realistic expectations and achieving the best results with castor oil. Discussion on the availability and selection of quality castor oil. The market offers various castor oil products, but not all are created equal. Choosing the right type makes a significant difference. Organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil is often recommended for the best hair care results because it preserves most of the natural beneficial properties. It's also important to buy from reputable sources to avoid adulterated products which can diminish the oil's effectiveness and potentially harm the scalp. Innovative ways to use castor oil beyond hair care. Castor oil's benefits extend beyond hair care. It's also used for skin care, as its fatty acids help maintain moisture levels, making it excellent for treating dry skin. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties make it a good treatment for soothing joint pain and muscle aches. Exploring these additional uses can provide holistic natural health benefits, making castor oil a versatile addition to wellness routines. The role of diet and lifestyle in maximizing castor oil benefits. While topical application of castor oil is beneficial, integrating a healthy diet and lifestyle enhances its effectiveness. Foods rich in vitamins A and E, minerals like zinc and iron, and adequate water intake support hair health from the inside out. Experts suggest that a holistic approach, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, and good sleep patterns, complements the external benefits of castor oil, leading to healthier, stronger hair. Environmental impact and sustainability of castor oil production. The production of castor oil, when managed sustainably, offers an environmentally friendly option compared to synthetic hair care products. The castor plant is hardy, requires relatively low water, and is often grown in mixed farming systems, which can help prevent soil erosion. Understanding the source of castor oil can help consumers choose products that are not only good for their hair, but also for the planet. Real-life success stories before and after. Compiling real-life stories from individuals who have seen transformative results with castor oil adds a powerful narrative to its benefits. Several users shared their before and after pictures, noting not just improved hair growth but also enhanced self-confidence. These testimonials serve as compelling evidence of the potential positive outcomes of using castor oil as part of a regular hair care routine.
Like any natural remedy, using castor oil was not without its challenges. The adjustment to its texture and the initial increase in hair greasiness were significant hurdles. Some nights, the routine felt overly time-consuming, especially when balancing it with other commitments. Addressing these challenges involves setting realistic expectations and being prepared to adapt the routine as needed to fit individual lifestyles and preferences.
How to customize castor oil treatments for different hair types. Understanding that hair types vary widely, customizing castor oil treatments to suit individual needs can enhance its effectiveness. For oily hair, mixing castor oil with astringent oils like jojoba can prevent excessive greasiness. Conversely, for dry and brittle hair, blending it with deeply moisturizing oils like coconut can provide additional hydration. Experts suggest experimenting with different mixtures and application frequencies to find what best works for your hair type, ensuring that castor oil enhances rather than overwhelms your hair care routine. Future research and potential developments in castor oil usage. While the anecdotal and existing scientific evidence supporting castor oil's benefits for hair care is compelling, ongoing research continues to explore its full potential. Future studies are looking into its molecular effects on hair follicles and how it can be integrated with other natural substances to enhance its benefits. Emerging research aims to solidify castor oil's place not only in folk remedies but also in modern dermatological practice, potentially leading to new, innovative applications for this age-old oil. Conclusion: evaluating the overall effectiveness of castor oil. After 30 days of nightly application and in-depth research, it's clear that castor oil can play a significant role in a natural hair care regime. Its benefits, from promoting hair growth to improving scalp health, are supported by both scientific studies and a multitude of personal success stories. However, it's important to remember that results can vary and what works for one might not work for another. Incorporating castor oil into your routine requires patience, experimentation, and a commitment to maintaining overall hair health. With the right approach, it can be a powerful natural addition to your hair care arsenal. Additional resources and further reading. For those interested in delving deeper into the world of natural hair care and castor oil, a wealth of resources is available. Books, peer-reviewed articles, and online platforms offer extensive information on the subject. Engaging with communities that focus on natural hair care can also provide support and additional insights. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user of natural remedies, these resources can enhance your understanding and help you make the most informed decisions about incorporating castor oil into your hair care routine.